This is the Airsoft Innovations Tornado Impact Grenade, and this is how you will reset it. First, you're going to take off the safety cap. Second, you're going to take off the top of the grenade. This will expose the trigger mechanism itself, which consists of 4 pieces. Now, to rearm the grenade, first take the top of the grenade, reinsert and lock in the pin. First, take the large cylinder. Second, the half circle. Third, the washer. And lastly, the skinny cylinder. Reattach to the top of the grenade. Gas. Now at this point, you can start loading in the BBs to arm it up. And then lastly, the safety cap goes back on. That's it. Grenade is now primed and ready.